Hello, Zoe Darlington here from Pure Improvement. I hope you're all okay. I'm quite excited about this. This is the first video in a series of videos in how to run a successful continuous improvement program. So that's a continuous improvement program that will help you to reduce cost, reduce waste, save time, improve quality, whatever your operational objectives are. This series of videos can help you. So we're right at the beginning, the planning phase. I have 3 P's, planning, the second P being program, which is the framework and the process for delivering improvement, and perform, which is how to inspire people, how to get people to deliver results. So back to the planning phase, and the first video is all about why. So that's your business why, and why are you running a continuous improvement program? So it's quite important before you start this to really understand and define your business why. And when I talk about your business why, I'm talking about the business purpose, the business cause. What is your business there for? What is it there to achieve, and what impact is it going to have on the world? So I'm not sure whether you've come across Simon Sinek. He's one of my favourite thought leaders in leadership. I'd recommend his book, Start With Why, and I definitely recommend that you watch his TED Talk, Start With Why, How Great Leaders Inspire Action. I'll pop a link to it in the comments below. But basically, what Simon explains is that people aren't inspired by what you do. So by telling somebody what to do and what you're going to do isn't going to inspire people. People are inspired by why you do it, okay? And that's because that connects with people emotionally. It connects with that limbic part of the brain, the heart, the soul, the gut, the part of the person that makes a decision and is emotionally connected to something. So if somebody is emotionally connected to your business cause and understands the business cause, then they are much more likely to get on board and be motivated into delivering that business cause. So it's the way to tap into that intrinsic motivation, and it also allows you to align your objectives and your vision and everything and check it against this why. Sometimes you may have an objective and it just doesn't sit right with you, and you don't really know why, and quite often it's because it doesn't align with that business why. So if you have that absolutely clear and understood, you can test everything against this business why. So I'll give an example that Simon uses in his TED Talk, and because everybody is familiar with it, and that's Apple. Particularly in the Steve Jobs days, Apple inspired people to almost like a cult-like following of their products, where people would queue up for days waiting for the latest iPad or whatever. Now, how they did this was how they communicated. So if they had communicated like their competitors, their sales pitch may have gone something like this. And this is what Simon uses. So we make great computers, they're beautifully designed, they're simple to use, and they're user friendly. Want to buy one? Okay, so it's quite clear, it's correct, and yeah, I guess some people will want to buy a computer, but it doesn't inspire people. It doesn't inspire the kind of motivation for people to really buy into that brand and queue for days outside. So how Apple actually communicated was, everything we do, everything we believe in challenging the status quo. We believe in doing things differently. And then they explained what they did. So that's quite powerful, and that had an impact on people, and that's why people were inspired to sort of buy into their brand, and they believed in Apple and everything that they created. So it's powerful. It's creating that emotional connection, and that's what builds relationships. So my why, so for example, my why, my business why is, so I am here, Pure Improvement, I am here to inspire and motivate people to achieve excellence, to achieve business excellence. And that is so that they can enjoy and share in that sense of achievement and satisfaction and fulfillment, because I get an absolute buzz of helping people to do that. And I just love to see people achieve, and I believe that any team and anyone can achieve excellence and really raise business performance. And I believe that when they do that, it really gives them a really good sense of satisfaction, and I just enjoy doing that. So that's my business why. So when you go about creating your business why, how you define it is it's to do something. What is it you're doing? So to inspire, to inspire and to motivate people into creating a culture of excellence. So it's to, so that, and that's the impact, so that people can share in that sense of achievement and fulfillment. So it's to, so that, and so the so that is that impact. What is the impact that your business is having on the world? So I would recommend that you get together, perhaps if you have a founder, you may be able to tap into the founder. The founder may have that cause, that purpose, the reason why they started the business, but it's probably bigger than that now anyway, and it's your business has become a culture on its own. So it's always good to get people in, a team that can work together, a team that will believe in the business. So that can be a mixture of senior leaders and people on the shop floor, but it has to be people who are connected to that business emotionally. And quite often those people that have been there for many years, those people who are really part of the business. And get them to go through the stories, what they're most connected to, what they love about the business, what bring up the stories, the things that make them feel proud, the achievements, and bring together the values. So what is that shared sense of values? And from that you can then start to sort of capture the essence of your business purpose and that why does your business exist. So yeah, it's quite fun. Book a room, get together, get brainstorming, and pull together your business why. And when you've done that, you'll be ready for the next video, which is the business vision. So it's creating, once you've got your business why, you can now start to create your business vision. Okay, so thank you very much, and any questions, pop them into the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're getting on, so please, if you want to update me on how you're getting on, pop that into the comments below, and please share with anybody that you feel may benefit from this. And yeah, thank you very much. I'll see you in a few days time to create that business vision. Okay, thank you.